Hello, beautiful parents. Welcome to Mom on Board. You are still having that question in your mind whether diapers are good for your baby or not, because the same question is still in my mind. I'm still facing this problem. So, in today's video, I'm trying to cover the information regarding the diapers in babies. This will be a detailed information which kind of diaper we can use, whether diapers are good for baby skin or not, whether the cotton nappy is beneficial over the diaper or not, which type of, which size of diaper we can use, which is the most beneficial brand for of the diaper for the babies. So in today's video I am going to share with the whole information about the diaper, but as you know, I'll take 2 minutes of yours. So please subscribe the Mom on Board. You are seeing the red button on your screen, that is the subscription button. If you are still not a member of Mom on Board family, then please subscribe Mom on Board. Hit the bell icon, that will give you notification what are the different interesting, what are the different content, what are different videos, what is exactly going in your own house, that is Mom on Board. So please hit the bell icon and please share this video, because share is caring. If you are watching the video till the end, if you like the video, please hit the like button for me. This is the only indicator for me whether you are really liking my content, whether you are really liking my videos or not. And please comment me on this video. If you are having anything other, anything extra information, then please share with us all. We are waiting for that. If you are having any query, if you are having any doubt in your mind, then please freely comment me on that. I am here for you only. I will try to answer your all queries, all your doubt. So without wasting much more time, here we are. So let's start today's video. Whether diaper is good for your baby or not. Obviously, diapers will be good for your baby, but make sure you are using a proper diaper. Make sure you are maintaining a proper hygiene, proper cleanliness on your baby's skin. Then in that case, diaper will not cause any harm to your baby. From day one, I am using diaper to Raghav. It is saying that for first 40 days, please do not use diaper on your baby's skin. It will cause harm to your baby, because babies are delicate, baby's skin is delicate. So please use cotton nappies for babies. Actually, I am not believing on that, because I know babies are delicate, their skin is delicate, but using a proper quality, proper size and proper brand of diaper will definitely not give any harm to your baby. And for me also, because initial 40 days are very crucial for that mother also, because she might having cesarean section or normal delivery. In both the cases, she is also suffering from pain. So in that case, she also needs some kind of rest. So using diaper in initial 40 days does not cause any harm to your baby. So obviously you can use diaper. It is also saying that because of using diaper, there might be a chances of diaper rash. Diaper rash is not occurs because of using diaper. It occurs, it happens because if you are not maintaining a proper hygiene, if you are not maintaining a proper cleanliness in your baby's genital area, in that diaper area, in any way, if you are using a cotton nappy or whether you are using a diaper, but if you are not maintaining hygiene properly, in that case definitely rash will occur on your baby's skin. So maintaining a proper hygiene, maintaining a proper cleanliness is important. Whether you are using diaper or whether you are using nappy, it doesn't make any difference. Then the second important point, if you want to keep your baby away from the diaper rash, then make sure you are investing in good quality and good brand of diaper. Obviously that will help your baby to keep away from the any diaper rash problem or any skin problem which is occurs because of the diaper. Make sure you are investing in a very good brand. I will recommend Pampers, then Huggies, then Himalaya. These are also very good brand. While selecting brand for the diaper, because there are various types of diaper brands available in the market, what happens, we get the suggestions from our friends or from any people around us. In that case, what happened, the diaper brand which they have using for their babies, that might not be suitable for your babies, because your every baby is very different, their skin is different. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to make the analysis, you have to choose the 2 to 3 brand of the diaper and do the analysis, do the proper research, thorough research of that diaper on your baby's skin. What is exactly, whether it is giving any kind of reaction, or whether it is giving any dryness to your baby's skin, or whether it is maintaining the moisture, or whether it is good for your baby's skin. So while selecting a brand, you have to make the proper analysis. It happens by seeing the advertisement on the television, or by listening of the people we see take the brand of diaper, and that is not good for our baby. So while selecting the brand, you have to make the analysis. It totally depends on your baby, it totally depends on your baby's skin. So this is not, there is not any stated or margin rule that this kind of brand is a very good brand, it is going to suitable for all babies. You have to make the analysis, you have to choose, you have to do the thorough research while choosing brand of the diaper for your baby. And one thing more, please do the analysis of the absorbing power of that diaper. Make sure you are changing your baby's diaper every 3 to 3.5 hours, because most of the time baby pee a lot. In a day 10 to 15 times pee of baby is a very good sign of their health. There is no problem in peeing, but make sure you are changing baby's diaper intermittently. There is actually a growth phase where sometimes baby pee a lot. In Raghav case also, Raghav peeing a lot in rainy or in winter season. In that case, make sure you are changing your baby's diaper intermittently every after 2 hours. That obviously give a relief from a diaper rash, and obviously that will allow your baby's skin to breathe, and because of that there will be not any occurrence of rashes on your baby's skin. So depending on the amount of peeing your baby in a day, you have to change the diaper accordingly every 3 to 3.5 hours, or every after 2 hours. It happens after doing for a one time pee also baby gets irritated, their diaper gets full. In that case, you have to change that diaper. Make sure your baby is not in wetted area, your baby is not in any uncomfortableness because of diaper. So make sure whether your baby's diaper is getting full. In that case, you have to change that diaper, whether that will be after 1 hour, whether that will be after 2 hours, whether that will be after every 3 hours. But it is a general rule, that it is a general saying, every after 3 to 3.5 hours you should change your baby's diaper. That will definitely keep your baby away from any rashes or any skin problem that is occur because of the diaper. Then the next important point is choosing the correct size of the diaper. Actually, there is a label on a diaper packet that according to weight, medium size diaper from 9 to 14 kg. So it's a well stated on the diaper packet, according to weight there is a size. But I will recommend, if you are generally using medium size of diaper or large size of diaper to your baby, in that case make sure you are using one size extra. If currently you are using large size of diaper to your babies, make sure you are using XL size. The first advantage is definitely babies grow so fast. You are knowing that. In that case, you are having a stock with you of the diaper. There is a proper mention on the diaper packet according to weight. If your baby's weight ranges on the larger scale, in that case definitely you have to borrow one size extra, because that medium size diaper may get very tightened to your baby's skin. That may causes the irritation, that may causes some itching problem to their skin. So this is the advantage number first, you are having a stock with you of a diaper. Then the second advantage, if you are using a little bit of extra one size more diaper to your babies, then that definitely give a little bit of comfortableness. Air will be properly passed from outside to your baby's skin, and definitely baby will not get irritated. And obviously when baby will pee, the diaper will not full so much fast. There is a space in between their skin and the diaper, and obviously baby's skin will breathe properly. This is the second most advantage. And the third advantage is, if you are using the exact size of diaper, in that case most of the time diaper get full because baby pee a lot. In that case, because of that pee, baby will get a little bit of irritation, little bit of wetness. So that is also causes a irritation or a itching problem or any skin problem on your babies. And plus baby obviously get a tightening effect on their stomach. This is the reason why most of the time babies will cry at the night or in the afternoon when you are wearing your baby diaper. So many times we can't catch that reason, that because of diaper, also because of that diaper fitting also, baby are so much irritated. So make sure you are using one size extra diaper to your babies, that will keep away your baby from n number of things, from any skin problem, any itching problem, any irritation problem, any pee problem. So make sure you are buying one size extra diaper to your baby. Then the next important point is cleaning method for babies, cleaning method for the genital area of the babies. As a parent, we are easily dependent on the wipes. Yes, there are so much brands are available in the market, but I had also done that mistake. I had also used wipes on the Raghav that is giving the very irritation or itching problem, dryness of the skin, because wipes contain the alcohol content in that, and baby skin is so delicate. Baby actually does not like wipes on their skin. So make sure you are not using wipes. That is obviously not good for baby's skin. Instead of that, there is a simple method. Take a water, normal water, and a cotton cloth. Tap that cloth in the water and make sure you are cleaning your baby's genital area with that. Allow that area open for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow the air to come in contact with their skin. That skin should be dried. This is the best way to clean the genital area of the baby, and obviously baby will not get any irritation, any skin problem, and obviously a very comfortableness you will see in babies while you are cleaning the baby's skin with the simple water and with the cotton cloth. After proper cleaning, make sure you are applying the coconut oil or a diaper rash cream on your baby's skin, and after that put your baby into a diaper. This is a correct method of cleaning and wearing diaper to your baby. Most of the time parents will do mistake in what area. First of all, they are depending on the wipes, as I had already done this mistake in Raghav's case. So please do not depending on wipes. This is the first mistake. Then second is while cleaning with the water and the cotton cloth, allow your baby to dry. What happens if the skin is not dried properly and you are putting your baby in a diaper, and obviously that will give a skin rash to your baby. So make sure you are allowing your baby's skin to dry. After that only put your baby in a diaper. So this is the second mistake. We are not giving time for drying the baby's skin. So make sure you are not doing this mistake. Then the third mistake is we are applying the coconut oil or the diaper rash cream when after occurring a rashes on the baby's skin. This is totally wrong. Diaper rash cream is made for only preventing of rashes on the baby skin. So make sure, please do not wait for occurring of the or happening of the rashes on the baby skin, and after that you are putting all the coconut oil or the rash cream on the baby skin. That will definitely give irritation or itching problem, or baby skin will be definitely damaged in that case. So make sure before occurring any rashes, before happening any skin problem to your babies, you are applying a simple coconut oil. That is a 100% natural coconut oil. I am preferring that. Plus if you are having a good brand rash cream, you can use that, apply on your baby's skin, and after that wear your baby a diaper. This is having an advantage. Why I am saying that? Because after applying coconut oil or a diaper rash cream on your baby's skin, and after wearing a diaper, it will actually give a layering on the baby's skin, and when your baby will pee, that pee will not getting back on the baby's skin. That will give a barrier in between that pee and your baby's skin, and because of that definitely a rash will not occur. This is actually a hurdle for occurring of rashes on the baby's skin. So make sure you are applying coconut oil or a diaper rash cream before wearing your baby's diaper. The next point is what we have to do when there is a rash problem in babies. If you are following the previously mentioned all the points, then obviously you will keep your baby away from the rashes. But if you are not following the exact point, actually I am following this method since from 2 years. Touchwood, Raghav is having rash problem only for 1 to 2 times, but touchwood he is not having any kind of rash problem or a diaper problem till now. He is now 2+. But in any case, if your baby is having skin rash problem or a diaper rash problem, in that case what you have to do, make sure you are keeping your baby open, let the air come in contact with the baby skin. This is the best method. This is actually a best remedy to treat the diaper rash, because what happens, baby's skin will get a time to breathe, baby's skin will get the oxygen, and because of that definitely that rash will get away from baby skin within 1 day also. This is my experience in Raghav's case. For first time when he had that rash problem, for a whole day I did not wear him any diaper. I just wearing him a cotton cloth lowers. This is a very comfortable for him also. So make sure you are not wearing any diaper, you are not wearing any cotton nappy to your baby. Just wear him or her a cotton lowers. That will also give a very good air to pass. Or on top of that, if you are keep your baby nude for some time, this is a best remedy. Do not put him any clothes, do not wear him any diaper or any lower also. Let the air come in contact with the baby's skin, let his skin breathing time. This is the best remedy to treat the rash. Then the last is please invest in good brand of diaper rash cream. Yes, a good brand, a good quality is very important. Personally, I prefer Sebamed brand. Initially, I had a Himalaya rash cream also. It also gives me a very good result. But Sebamed rash cream is also giving a good result. Touchwood, Raghav is having rash problem for only 1 to 2 times. So I had not used that much. But Sebamed, all Sebamed products are very good. Their face cream, their body wash, their bubble bath, their soap, their shampoo, all Sebamed products are very good. I will put a link for you in a description box. Please go there and check the Sebamed rash cream. Actually, it's a very good product for your baby's skin. Or if you don't want to use any kind of rash cream, then you can use a coconut oil. It's 100% natural. It will definitely give a result. It's 100% natural product. You can also use that. This is all about the diaper information. What kind of diaper, what is the brand, how you can check the absorbent quality or the absorbing quantity of that diaper. This is all about the diaper information for the babies. And then the next point is cotton nappies. Most of the parents prefer cotton nappies, but this is my experience which is I am sharing. Personally, I don't prefer cotton nappies because I am having little bit of extra advantages of diaper on above that the cotton nappies. When a newborn baby, if you are wearing a cotton nappy, you know newborn babies do pee a lot, do a potty a lot of time. In that case, changing that cotton nappy so many times, it little bit of uncomfortable that for that baby also. But instead of you are wearing a diaper, it is having a good absorbing power, and your baby's sleep will also not get disturbed because of that. This is the first advantage. Then the second point is washing. Yes, in case of diaper, you are using use and throw diapers. In that case, after changing diaper, you are just throwing that diaper. But this is not the case with the cotton nappies. You have to wash that cotton nappies properly. But I'm not confident about whether the all bacteria or the germs will get off after washing also. Otherwise, what happens, your baby's skin ultimately get in contact with the germs or the bacteria again when you are wearing that cotton nappy to your baby. So it's actually not comfortable for me. Plus on that, after washing also, there is a little bit of marks are there of the potty of the baby. So it's a little bit of uncomfortable for me to use that cotton nappy again over the baby's skin. I personally don't like that. So generally I will not prefer a cotton nappy over diaper for the babies. Then the third point is newborns pee a lot, they do potty a lot. If you are a working mother or if you are at home also, you are not noticing that, you are somewhere busy in your work. And if you are a working mother, if you are having maids in your house for taking care of your baby, in that case, if by any chance she missed it, in that case your baby will be slept in that wet cotton nappy. This is absolutely wrong for their skin. This is absolutely not good for baby skin, because of that there might obviously your baby will get a rashes because of that wetness of the cotton nappy. This is not the problem with the diaper, because obviously diaper will absorb the all pee of the baby, and your baby can sleep calmly in the diaper also. This is the advantage for me over the cotton nappy. Most of the times our parents says that a cotton nappy are more beneficial. Why? Because they are loosen, they are giving proper airflow to baby's skin. But this advantage I had explained in earlier point. If you are using one size large, one size extra diaper to your baby, this problem will also gone, and obviously your baby will also having a proper airflow in that diaper also. So this is the advantage of the diaper over cotton nappies for me. But this is the opinion of me and Tanmay. We are preferring diaper over the cotton nappy. If your baby is comfortable in the cotton nappy, if you are very much confident about the cotton nappy, in that case obviously you can use that cotton nappy. It's totally depend on our concept, it's totally depend on our beliefs, what we are preferring, whether it's a diaper or whether it's the cotton nappy. But make sure you are maintaining a proper hygiene, a proper cleanliness on your baby's skin. So because of that you will keep your baby away from the diaper rash or any skin problem. In case of diaper, I will give one more point. While selecting a brand or while selecting a diaper for your baby, make sure you are buying a gel based diaper to your babies, because they are having very good absorbing power, and obviously your baby will be comfortable in that diaper. So it's all depend on us what you are preferring, whether it's a diaper or whether it is a cotton nappy. Make sure you are maintaining a proper hygiene for your baby skin. This is all about the diaper and the cotton nappy for your babies. This is all about the today's video. If you have watched the video till the end, and if you really like the video, please hit the like button for me. This is the only symbol whether my content are good, whether my videos are good for you all or not. And please share this video, because this is a very common and this is a really very bothering question, whether really diapers are good for your babies or not. And please subscribe Mom on Board. As I mentioned earlier, join and become a member of Mom on Board family. Very soon we have to make a big fat family of Mom on Board. Comment on the video whether you like or not, or whether you are having any doubts, whether you are having any queries, or if you are having any information extra than this, then please share. If you are having any experiences regarding diaper or nappies, please share with us. That will also obviously give help to other also. And please, we will definitely meet very soon in my next video. Till then, take good care of your health, and please be on board and be in touch.